the members issue ID for verification. Thank you. Your room number is 201. Can you please sign and compose this information with the No, I think that's all. Thank you so much. You're welcome, ma'am. Here is your key card, and the Wi-Fi password is available in this card as well. If you need anything else, don't hesitate to call them. We send you the extension 0. Enjoy your stay at City Mall. Good morning, I'm checking out today. Good morning, Ms. Divato. How was your stay at our hotel? It's good and everything is perfect. Could you just quickly prepare your bill? One moment, please. Okay. Okay, Ms. Divato, your bill is ready. Your room rate was 4,000 pesos. You had 800 pesos for room rate service charges, and the 12% tax comes to 576 pesos. Your total is 5,376 pesos. Okay. Please review the details and sign here to acknowledge the payment and your departure. Thank you. Would you prefer to pay by cash or credit card? Credit card. Your total was 5,376 pesos. Here is your receipt. We hope you enjoy your stay and we appreciate your business. We look forward to welcoming you back to City Mall Hotel in the future. Have a pleasant journey. Thank you. Have a nice